Introducing the British Rail Class 397, a symbol of modern engineering and a testament to the evolution of Britain's railways. In May 2016, TransPennine Express announced an ambitious plan to revolutionise its fleet by commissioning 12 5-car electric multiple units from Spanish manufacturer CAF. These trains, known as the Class 397 Civity, were designed to replace the ageing Class 350 Desiro units, aiming to enhance passenger experience and operational efficiency. The Class 397 boasts a maximum speed of 125 miles per hour and offers 286 seats across its 5-car formation. Passengers benefit from air conditioning, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a real-time seat reservation system, ensuring a comfortable and connected journey. Entering service on the 30th of November 2019, the Class 397 primarily operates on TransPennine Northwest routes, connecting Liverpool Lime Street and Manchester Airport to Edinburgh Waverley and Glasgow Central via Preston. This deployment underscores its role in bridging key urban centres across the UK. With its state-of-the-art features and reliable performance, the Class 397 has garnered appreciation from both passengers and railway professionals, marking it as a success in modern rail transport. To maintain its high standards, TransPennine Express extended a £10.4 million contract with Alstom in July 2024 for the upkeep of the Class 397 fleet. This agreement ensures continued maintenance, stabling, servicing and cleaning at Alstom's train care centres in Manchester and Glasgow, supporting over 50 jobs across these sites. Today, the Class 397 remains a vital component of TransPennine Express's operations, seamlessly connecting major cities and offering passengers a blend of speed, comfort and reliability. As we journey through the timeline of the Class 397, we ponder, how has this train influenced your travel experiences? Do you believe it has set a new standard for intercity travel in the UK? And what are your thoughts on the future of rail transport as we continue to innovate and evolve? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Class 397's legacy, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more explorations into the marvels of rail transport.